Good morning, students. We are learning Chapter 2 in Geography, Physical Features of India. Today, we will discuss about the Indian desert and the coastal plains. Let's begin with the Indian desert. The Indian desert, also known as the Thar Desert, is one of the most densely populated desert in the world. Look at the map carefully, its location. It lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Range. Remember that the Aravalli Range runs from southwest to northeast. More than 60% of this desert lies in Rajasthan. It also extends into the states of Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana. It is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. Undulating means a flat area with some gentle wave-like slopes. Sand dunes are the small hills of sand. Now, let's talk about the sand dunes. Most part of the Indian desert is covered by barkhans. Now, what are barkhans? Barkhans are the crescent-shaped sand dunes. Look at the shape. It is a curved shape, and this curved shape is known as the crescent shape. If you visit Jaisalmer, you will find number of sand dunes like this. But as we move towards the Indo-Pakistan border, longitudinal sand dunes like this are prominent. Now, its climate. This region receives very low rainfall below 150 millimeter per year, and so it has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Streams do appear during the rainy season, but they soon disappear into the sand as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Now look here. Luni is the only large river in this region. This river has been named Luni because it is salty. Now let's move to the next topic, the coastal plains. What are coastal plains? The narrow coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east are known as the coastal plains. They have been divided in two parts. The western part is known as the western coastal plains and the eastern part is known as the eastern coastal plains. Let's talk about them in detail. First, the western coastal plains. Look at the map carefully. The western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. If we compare them with the eastern coastal plains, they are narrow. The northern part of the coast is known as the Konkan coast, which extends from Mumbai to Goa. The central stretch is known as the Kannada Plain, and the southern stretch of these plains is known or referred to as the Malabar Coast. Now, moving to the next, the eastern coastal plains. Look at the map carefully. The eastern coastal plains lie along the Bay of Bengal. If we compare them with the western coastal plains, they are wide and level. In the northern part, it is referred to as the Northern Circars, and the southern part is known as the Coromandel Coast. The rivers like the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri have formed extensive delta on this coast. And one of the important features of this coast is the Lake Chilika. It is the largest saltwater lake in India, and it is located in the state of Odisha. We finish our today's session here only. Thank you and have a nice day.